Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. In this video, you will know myths about programming. There are many misconceptions and myths about programming. A lot of people see it as a job only for the very talented and intelligent, a career path only for geeks, or for the mathematically inclined, and a job not tolerant of mistakes. Because of these myths and misconceptions, a lot of people are unsure to take programming or coding as a career. So let us discuss the myths about programming. The first one is you need to be excellent in maths to learn programming. A lot of people think that there is a direct relationship between mathematics and programming. As a programmer, you need to be spend a lot of time writing codes and not maths formulas. Maths is not directly related to programming, but you need to know the basics of algebra. You will also need strong program solving skills. Game development is one area that does require additional knowledge, such as trigonometry and physics. But even in the development of games, there are plugins and libraries you can use to figure out these mathematical problems. The second one is coding is very boring. Coding is actually very interesting. It may be a little challenging, but it's not boring. Technology is everywhere, and where there is a technology, there is coding. Coding is not just about creating websites, it's all about developing the computer technologies. These technologies can be found in ships, video games, medical devices and equipment, and space exploration. Coding is all about creativity. It is about building something that can be helpful in various streams. Learning to code allows you to dive into almost any kind of industry that interests you. So, coding can never be boring. The third one is if you are old, then you cannot learn programming. My parents always said that after a certain age, it is difficult to learn. Now, that is not exactly true. If you have the will to learn, then you can learn anything at any age. And remember, there is no such thing as too old when it comes to learning. Coding is a field that is rising in demand. There are many coding boot camps and free resources online that are teaching people of all ages how to code. There are many students who have little to no coding experience, but by putting in the required work, they are finding success in the classrooms and in a career in web technology. Technology keeps evolving, so you need to keep learning in this field continuously. The next one is learn the best language that suits your needs. Many developers claim that one language is better than the other, but that is false. Every language serves a specific purpose and works as a little differently. Some languages are easier to work with and more suited for certain tasks than others, but sometimes it is just a personal preference. The next one is you need to go to university to learn. Maybe to learn Kung Fu, you need to join an academy, but for programming, you don't. Obtaining a degree from university is a good thing, but there are so many resources online, like learning websites and apps like Learn Programming by Lucky Sir. The Learn Programming like Fixar can teach you programming when you are at home or maybe when traveling. Coding boot camps like Code Institute are an efficient way to learn to code, involving yourself in the focused and fun environment of bootcamp will allow you to learn how to code in matter of weeks and not years. The last one is you must be genius. You don't need to have an 162 or 190 questions and answers. Now anybody can program easily if you don't mind failing repeatedly and learning from your mistakes. This is how programmers learn. Now, to make it more special and simple, anyone who knows to communicate can learn to program, because deep in its core, programming is a language with its own programmer vocabulary, and its existence is mainly to help you communicate with the machines to complete tasks. So that's all about some of the myths about programming. So if you like our videos, so please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest videos. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.